Hey guys, welcome to Dialora. In today's video, I will show you how to do KYC and purchase a phone number um, and make everybody aware like what does the process looks like. Let me quickly go back, cancel this. Okay, perfect. Once you log in on the left side, you will see phone numbers. And then inside there is two tabs, phone number and KYC. Click on phone number and then you will see by number. Here select which country you want to do KYC and get the phone number. Once you click on specific country, select your specific country, you need to upload all the details about your business registration number, company website, your contact information, and your use case. Make sure you are putting together the details of specific area code or where your company is registered for. You only will get the phone number in that area code only because that's a strict requirement on the regulatory side. You cannot purchase a number of Spain with the KYC of UK. Make sure you don't do this. Even within UK, if you are applying for specific area code, you need to apply the document of specific area code only. And over here, you need to upload proof of address, and then you need to upload your proof of your identity as well, like your passport or any specific local document. And once you submit, then it will go in the verification that your document has been submitted, and then you can reserve your phone number as well here. I will show you later. But yeah, in the KYC tab, you can say document has been submitted, and then it will keep changing your status like verifying or verified or approved. And then over here, you can reserve your number by clicking while your documentation is under progress. If it's a free number that you are purchasing as part of AppSumo, this screen or you don't have to pay over here. Otherwise, you have to pay $11 right now. And then you can see it's under progress, the pending approval. Once KYC team submit or look at your document, it will approve. You can see where your document has been submitted for that particular country. And you can check the status as well. Now, once it's approved, you will get a notification as well on your email, and you can check the status under KYC, and you can see the reserve number has been active now. Yeah. And this number you can now connect to your agents, and you can release that number too. Now, once you have purchased for UK, now let me go and select different country. Let's say Austria. For Austria, which is different country than UK, then you have to again redo KYC. It is not redo, but you have to do a KYC for that particular country itself because it's a different country and different phone numbers. But for UK, it will be same KYC, so you don't have to apply second time. Perfect. Yeah, all good. Let me know if you have any question. Happy to answer. Thank you so much.